Prepare for CRE certification from American Society for Quality.
Institute of Quality and Reliability announces Certified Reliability Engineer online workshop during 8 July to 12th August 2024. Workshop is based on body of knowledge specified by American Society for Quality. Visit us at www.world-class-quality.com. Average course rating of 9.3 by the participants of CRE February 24 batch, with 50% of the participants giving rating of 10 out of 10.
This workshop is ideal for all those who wish to get certified from American Society for Quality as Certified Reliability Engineer. Participants get access to 3 online simulated exams of 150 multiple choice questions and also certification to successful participants from Institute of Quality and Reliability. Course is online and therefore learn in safe and comfortable environment of your home.
Participants can access recorded sessions for 6 months, so not to worry if you miss any session. Highly qualified and experienced faculty members with total 10 ASQ certifications. Here is the convenient workshop schedule. Monday, Wednesday, Friday and Saturday, India time 6:30 to 9:30 p.m., Gulf Standard Time 5 to 8 p.m. and GMT 1 to 4 p.m. Note the dates from 8 July to 12th August 2024. So what are you waiting for? Register for the workshop. Link to download detailed brochure and registration form is given in the information. Visit us at www.world-class-quality.com.